my dear daughter, my little bead machine, just point to me whatever you want and I'll buy it.
Doraemon's loving pa.
Ang cute talaga ang magdala ng bata sa grocery store.
Parang ganun kasi yung kanina eh. Yung kanina yun yung vibe eh. Na parang, ba't ko ba ito sinama? Parang ganun.
Yeah, parang gastos na gastos kung hayop na to. Game. Ready? Pam-param! Pam-param! Ready, roll! Wait! Action. Cut. Wait for action, anak. Smoke! Smoke! Papay-pay, please. Oh, good. Roll. 3, 2, 1, and background galaw. Action!
And cut. Take that.
Yes.